Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to everyone. Okay, let's continue with the inverse of logarithmic and exponential function. That means the inverse function, right? Fx. Okay, this is symbol of inverse function. Okay, so let's discuss straight away the example question. Okay, the following function are each defined for x. Okay, is a real number, and then find the inverse function for each function and state its domain. Okay, for example, number 1. Alright, first step, what do we do is let exponential x plus 5 equals to y. Okay, and then second step, what do we do? Okay, we find, okay, this is step 1 and step 2. Alright, find the subject of formula. Okay, here is x. Okay, x as subject of formula. Alright, so second step, next step, bring 5 to the right, so you get exponent x equals to y minus 5. Okay, and then what do we do? Alright, we ln. Okay, put ln both sides. Okay, and then we get and bring x to the forward, to the front. Okay, so x ln e, alright, equals to ln y minus 5. And then ln e equals to 1, therefore x equals to ln y minus 5. And then this is x as subject of formula, therefore f inverse for x, okay, equals to ln x minus 5. Okay, how to determine the domain? Okay, domain, alright, x minus 5 is greater than 0, therefore x greater than 5. Alright, when you bring negative 5 to the right hand side, so you get x greater than 5. Okay, so next question. For next question, alright, same, step 1, what do we do? Okay, let 3 exponent negative 5x minus 7 equals to y, and step 2, okay, find x as subject of formula, and then bring 7, so we get 3 exponent negative 5x equals to y plus sorry, not 5 but 7, and then 3, okay, bring to the right hand side, become division. Okay, and then exponent negative 5x equals to y plus 7 over 3. And then as usual, ln both sides. Okay, so we get and negative 5x will bring in front, so negative 5x times ln e, which is ln e equals to 1 equals to ln bracket y plus 7 over 3. And then we get, therefore negative 5x equals to ln y plus 7 over 3. And then therefore x equals to negative 1 over 5 ln y plus 7 over 3. Alright, therefore, right, f inverse of x become negative 1 over 5 ln bracket x plus 7 over 3. How to find the domain? Okay, the domain, okay, x plus 7 over 3 must greater than 0. Okay, this is compulsory. And then x plus 7 greater than 0, therefore x greater than negative 7. Okay, so this is the domain for this function. Okay, now let's look how to find the inverse function for logarithmic function. Okay, that involve ln. Okay, as usual. Okay, step 1. Okay, step 1, let 4 ln bracket 2x minus 6 equals to y. Okay, and then step 2, okay, make x as subject of formula, and then right, so 4 bring to the right, it become division. Okay, and then ln 2x minus 6 equals to y over 4. Okay, and then what do we do? Right, exponent. Okay, exponent both side. Okay, so it become so exponent for this situation, right, exponent ln 2x minus 6, so it become 2x minus 6. Okay, so equals to exponent y over 4. And then bring negative 6 to the right, so it becomes 2x equals to exponent y over 4 plus 6, and divide by 2. Okay, so it becomes therefore x equals to 1 over 2 exponent y over 4 plus 6 over 2, and simplify. Okay, so x equals to 1 over 2 exponent y over 4 plus 3. Okay, and then what is the function? Right, what is the inverse function? Therefore inverse function for x equals to 1 over 2 exponential x over 4 plus 3. Okay, for x greater than 3. Okay, number 2. Okay, number 2, as usual, step 1, let negative 7 ln 2x plus 1 equals to y, and then find x as subject of formula in step 2, and then simplify. Okay, so ln 2x plus 1, okay, as usual, negative 7 bring it become division, so equals to negative y over 7. And then what do we do? Okay, just put exponent both sides, so it become, okay, for this one it become 2x plus 1 equals to exponential negative y over 7. Bring 1 to the right hand side, it become equals to exponent negative y over 7, it become minus 1, or subtract 1. Therefore x equals to 1 over 2 exponent negative y over 7 minus 1 over 2. Okay, so therefore inverse function for x, okay, equals to 1 over 2 exponential negative x over 7 minus 1 over 2. Okay, for the range is x greater than negative 1 over 2. So this is how we determine, okay, the inverse function for logarithmic function and exponential function. Okay, just follow step 1, step 2. Okay, step 1, let equals to y, let the function equals to y. Step 2, make x as subject subject of formula. And step 3, okay, step 3 I forgot to mention, okay, simplify until you get x as subject of formula. And step 4, right, last step, okay, find the inverse function when you already get the x as subject of formula. Okay, this is how you follow the steps until step 4. Okay, so I hope you understand, and until now, thank you.